Morning from Matsuyama port. It's shortly before 8 AM right now. We are waiting for a ferry to go back to Hiroshima. So it's our last travel day today. But yeah, we're gonna go to one more travel spot that Juri wanted me to see and that I want to kind of take pictures of. But yeah, that's in Hiroshima, and that's also where our flight is gonna leave tomorrow. So yeah, just gonna spend the day there, night there, and then leave tomorrow in the morning. And yeah, first up, let's get some breakfast and then get on this ferry. Welcome to Miyajima. Right. I forgot where we are for a moment. So yeah, we just made it to Miyajima after a long 4-hour journey from Matsuyama, and it's pretty bright. It's pretty nice weather. So Miyajima is one of the most, I think, one of the most visited places certainly in this region, in the Chugoku region, and probably in Japan as well, because of well, you'll see why, but it's pretty nice. It's like a 10-minute ferry from a port over there, which is like 30 minutes away from the Hiroshima station. And yeah, it's pretty popular right now. Weather is nice, so we're just gonna walk around and yeah, show you the main attractions of this island. There's one of the main attractions here. Let me show you. So yeah, that's if you've been to Nara, there's some deer there. Let's explore. first stop that we saw was a temple? Shrine? Shrine. What was it called? We don't know. But it's old, it's like 700 years old or something. Yeah, it's an old shrine, but it's built on the water.
Itsukushima 神社だけど
Itsukushima Shrine.
Itsukushima Shrine.
Yeah, Itsukushima Shrine. So
Itsukushima Shrine was first built in 593.
500? So it's 1,500 years old.
By Taira no Kiyomori in 1168 on
One
the
big
same scale
rebuilt.
as it is today.
So we built around
Almost.
1,000 years ago.
Yeah, almost.
So it's pretty old. So
Yeah, that's
You
why
can
I
also-
like to say it.
you can also do weddings in there. Apparently, somebody was having like a Japanese-style wedding, and yeah, that was our first stop. Then at sunset, I want to be at the gate around the water in front of the shrine. I've already seen like a lot of pictures of this shrine on social media and stuff, and it's really, you can get some really good pictures if you are lucky with the light. So I'm hoping I get lucky tonight with the light. Here in Hiroshima, we had some dinner, and yeah, it's gonna be the end of the vlog. And since it's the end, I thought let's do a recap and rate each destination that we went to from 1 to 10. So first up, Hiroshima.
8.
8.
You?
I don't think I saw that much, so maybe 6. You can visit the dome
Atomic bunker.
and yeah.
Miyajima
that we went today, yes, that was pretty nice. Get to Matsue and Izumo together, which is the prefecture in the north that had like the castle, the lake, and Izumo is like the oldest shrine in Japan. 5? Jesus, 5. I'd say I think I give it like a 7. It was much less touristy. The shrine, the lake was really nice. Next stop was in the same prefecture, was the Oki Islands.
With a rental car, it will be a lot nicer.
Yeah, it's a bit
Especially in
the off season. There's not that many buses around. So, but yeah, what did you think overall?
say 7, but if you have money, you should visit. But if you don't have much money, you really cannot afford it, maybe, because you always have to use a taxi.
Yeah, it gets pricey, especially in the off season. If you go in the main season, you can maybe go around by buses, by the public buses.
And the ship was a little bit expensive, right?
Ship was also kind of pricey. Say it's like a 9. In summer, it's usually. I think in summer it's nicer than in autumn because you can swim, you can go like diving, you can go like snorkeling. Yeah, I think it's really nice for that there. So that we went to Kurashiki, where we only spent it 1 day, but it was like the old quarter.
5.
5? Yeah, I think 5 probably. So if you are in the area, it's kind of like a good day trip maybe. Then after that we went to Matsuyama.
I would give 7.
It's 6, probably higher if we actually would have gone to Cat Island. Yeah, and then I think that were all the destinations, right? My ranking was Oki Islands, Matsue, Matsuyama and Hiroshima same, and then Kurashiki last. Yours was?
I don't remember.
I think the top was Ehime, followed by Oki Islands, then probably
Hiroshima,
Matsuyama, and Kurashiki still. We agreed don't go to Kurashiki. I think that's the end of the vlog series. Tomorrow it's an early flight back to Tokyo, then back to Kanagawa to Juri's home. Next week I will have to work in Tokyo for 5 days a weekend. Juri's gonna visit a place with her friends. So I will do like a solo trip for one day. Hope you enjoyed the vlog series, and I recommend visiting the Chugoku / Ehime part of Japan, because it's a really nice place that is not as much as touristy as like the normal Tokyo, Kyoto, Osaka route.
Sure not.
Yeah. Alright then. Good night.
Right.
See you later.